Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I've been recording for about a month. So I actually had nothing to record. I had no idea what to record. So today, I have my PC on, as you can see right there. So today, I'm going to be learning how to solve one of this bad boy, a 2x2. So as you guys know, that I actually ran a 2x2 for a very long time, and I actually got it. It's the MF2C 2-layer magic cube. Oh my god, this camera. Wait, do you guys? So yeah, okay, so I'll tell you guys something, okay? My 4x4 Rubik, I have 5x5 right here. Then now I have 4x4. It's broken, like it burst. So look at this. Okay, just look at this. You can see right there. Look. Okay, you can see like this. Now look at this one. You can imagine it's actually the same pack. Let me just move it a little bit here. I'm charging my phone. I'm using a power bank. Okay. And now let's open it. Break it. It's in Chinese. Okay, I know how to read Chinese. And just take it out and just something in there. What is this? This tissue. I don't need that. Yeah. So this is first. And just turn that one. Oh my god, that's fast. It's a bit sandy. Oh my god, it's cute. About 400, 300, not about 450, about 180 degree. And okay, like about here. Look, and then come up and put there. It's good. So now I'm going to move over here. Let me just put my keyboard and my mouse. Oh my god, like it's a big old mess. Right, there you go, charger. Okay, now I have my PC right here. Right now I'm using, you guys know that logo, that's Jasper right there, and I'm using Jasper.net. So, and then that's right, 3x3 tutorial, silver main, cross, F2L, OL, and POL. Like advanced 3x3 method, 3x3 mindful, you can see right there. 2x2 tutorial, which I need, but this one is actually the basic one, so yeah. 4x4 tutorial, OL trainer, which like it give you what's it called, like give you and learn, and then if like actually very good, and then like you can try. I can PLL trainer, CLL trainer, this one advanced, and window variation. I don't know what is that. So now I have it out right here. So this is the LL and PPL. And look. Look at this. Here's all the algorithm. Look at how much. Now I'm going to try and solve a Rubik's 2x2. Okay, now I'm going to scramble. Okay, so I know how to do the first part because 4x4 I can make it 2x2. So I'm not gonna make a tutorial. I'm not making a tutorial. Oh! I hit my phone. I hit the camera, so it dropped. And I just scratched my hand. Oh my god, guys! So what's the luck of that? I got the OLL skip. Okay, fine. I have these two bars complete. Close to the blue, and I'm gonna go. So I really like that. Oh, this one is supposed to go here, this one go here, this one come here. So that one just come here, so like it's this F R2 U prime R prime U prime R U right F prime. I'm confused. Jasper, you are watching this. Can you teach me how to do this? I don't even know what is here. Like, it's so confusing. If you guys, Jasper, if you are watching it, please tell me in the comment section down below. I don't know what it is, so I actually have a backup right here. So I actually read everything here. No wonder I zoom it in. So now I'm going to do it. For this situation, I'm doing this one. Put it front, right F2 R U prime R prime F2 R2. Oh, that's like easy, right? I don't know. So Jasper, I don't even know how to look at the PPL. I know to look at the OLL, but I don't even know this. Look. So like, okay, let's see. You see the trainer, I can click on it. And then you go and find all the case you do, and then like just start the timer. Okay, so that. So now going to stop it another time. So I put it down. It's going to the right, so I can put it up. You do right. Okay. And then something like this, I can U right U F right U right U F. Okay. Going to another saw. Oh my god, guys! Look! I just yeeted this newspaper. It literally landed on the bed. I know the bed's in big old mess. So I'm listening to the song. Okay, that place. This place is that. To that, no. That. And then put this place. And then pull that out. Okay. And then that. And then that. Okay. And do another solve. Hopefully my phone don't drop. Cause I'm gonna put it. That. That. And I have the same theme. Okay. And then that F I like F. Look. It's the first cube. Okay. I'm gonna put that in. And I need this algorithm. No. Wait, which algorithm? This one? Okay. And then that. I'm gonna do one more so and then I'm gonna end my video. This both pairs there, that pair in, this pair, and then do this algorithm. Don't just make your laughing, okay? I saw it. If you guys like this video, please, subscribe for more video. Hit that little bell to turn on notifications so when I post a new video, you will know. I mean you. And hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.